Struggling with messy code or scaling your iOS apps? Learn how the MVVM Design Pattern can streamline your development and boost your Swift skills. In this tutorial, we will implement the MVVM Design Pattern, which divides responsibilities into three components. The model handles the data and business logic. The view manages the presentation layer and user interface. The view model bridges the model and view, handling presentation logic and ensuring a clean separation of concern. The first thing we need to do is to create a new Swift file, and within the Swift file we'll create a new struct called books. Struct books identifiable. Since we're looping through each of the elements of the array, we give each ID a unique ID. Var name, which is the name of the book, string, the author's name, var image name, which is string, and the price, which is string. The next file we need to create is the book data service class. Which is a Swift file. Book data service. Within the book data service class, type the following: class book data service. And then we need a fetch method to fetch the books. Func fetch books, which will return an array of books. Really, this should be coming from an API, a JSON API, or maybe a database such as Swift Data or Core Data. The next thing we need to add is the actual array of books, the same array that we've been using in our same design pattern tutorials. So I'll just paste that in the code. I won't type it in, I'll just paste it here. This is the same array we've been using in all of the design pattern tutorials on this channel. The next file we need to create is another Swift file. Within this Swift file, we need to create a new class called BookListViewModel. And the purpose of the BookListViewModel is to enable the BookListViewModel to communicate to the book data service layer to retrieve the array of books. As I said before, really, the array should be coming from an API, a JSON response. So now let's create the new file, Swift file. Name the file BookListViewModel. Import observation. At observable to detect any changes, and then we add our class definition. Var data books So there we created an empty array of books. Private let book data service equals book data service. So that will reference the data service. Add our initializer. When the initializer gets fired, it calls the fetch method. Create the fetch method. And the purpose of the fetch method is to populate our data array with all the books that has been fetched. Books data service dot fetch books. I'll just compile it. The next thing we need to do is to implement our content view so that we can display the list of books to the user. At state, private var view model equals book list view model. We can delete lines 15. Navigation view, create a list to display the book information. View model data booking. So now we're in our closure. We add our HStack. Alignment, top, spacing, 10. Image, book, dot image name, dot resizable, frame, width 80, height 120. corner radius is 8. And then we need to create a V-stack. Alignment.leading, spacing 5. Text, book.name, font title, font weight, bold. Then we have to create another text element, book.author, font, sub headline, spacer, text, book.price, headline, foreground, color, orange, and then after line 36 we add a bit of padding, vertical 5, is the preview working? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, but most times I don't use it because I need a new Mac. Yeah, because this Mac is not powerful enough, that's why I don't really use it. Navigation, bar title, book list, display mode, large, list, style, plain, list style. I'll just compile it now to see if it works or not. Just compiling at the moment. I'll stop the preview because it makes it very slow. Let's see now if it works. Here is the running app with a populated list of books using MVVM. And remember to add your images to your assets folder as well, as you can see here. Please comment and like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.